For me, I don't know about any other person, but for me, the best applicator for this foundation or makeup tool for this foundation is the Beauty Blender. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're old, thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for watching my videos, commenting, liking, sharing. I see them all. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love you to click that cute button that says subscribe to my channel so we can enjoy this ride together. And while you're at it, don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss a new video whenever it goes up on my channel. So guys, if you can remember my last video or last two videos, I received a huge PR product from Fayre Cosmetics and Helen C, and I showed you guys what was in my package, and I asked you guys if you wanted me to recreate a look, if you wanted me to create a look using the products I received from Helen C and Fayre Cosmetics, and a few of you said yes. I'm going to try as much as possible not to reach out from the bag. Yes, I'm going to try as much as possible not to reach out from the bag, like from the PR bag sent to me. The products are still in here. So I'm going to be using basically most of what is sent to me. The ones I usually use, I don't think I'll be opening a new pack because I already have it, just like the primers. You all know I use the primers, and the foundation I have already used on my channel. But I'm going to be using this product and also telling you my verdict on what I think about this product. So if you want to see me create a look with all of the goodies it's sent to me, please keep watching. You know the drill. Don't go anywhere. Using this because I already have an eyeshadow primer from them. I got it sometime last year, and I'm going to be using this so that you don't think I'm lying. I'm going to be quickly showing you. You can see it's written Fair Gold around here. So I'm going to be using this primer all over my lid. But before then, I'm going to quickly conceal my eyelids with a shade of my concealer. Okay, for eyeshadows, I really don't know what to do because they did not send me an eyeshadow palette, and I'm not sure if they actually have an eyeshadow palette. If they do, I have no idea. It was not in the pack, but I am going to be using the Fair Gold 12-in-1 palette. The Fair Gold 12-in-1 palette, powder and contour effect. I am going to be using this for my eyes as well. I'm going to be using a small brush to pick the eyeshadow primer and just gently pat this on my lid. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. The first color I want to use here is this color. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back. So guys, let it be known that this is actually a blush. This is actually a blush, but I'm going to be using this as a crease color. I can see how pigmented this is. Oh my god. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting This is in dark cocoa. I'm just going to be softening the color I used on.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me,
The last time I used this foundation, I used it with a brush,
meant to be
with a foundation buffing brush, but I realized that the best way to wear this foundation is
forever
to use
free.
a beauty blender because it just
You and me,
buffs it in.
meant to be.
I didn't really get the result I wanted. You can see that it looks a little bit lighter when you apply it on your face, like when you just apply, but when you use like a beauty blender, you tend to blend it well and it goes all the way inside.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. To be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I'm going to be using the darkest shade in the powder palette to do my contour. Remember, I said I'm going to try as much as possible not to reach out from
up here,
the product. So the setting powder I used is from Fair Gold as well. I got it sometime last year as well.
It's so beautiful. You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever.
I'm just going to allow this to sink. I don't usually bake, but for the purpose of this video, let me just bake. I'm going to be doing my lips real quick. Oh, there's a blush here. I'm going to be using this
take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Look, I hope you enjoyed this video. My verdict for this product is the colors in the powder palette are super pigmented, like the highlighter here or bronzer and the blushes right here, they are super pigmented. You can see from my eyes because I used it to create an eyeshadow look. The eyeshadow primer is what I have used before, and that was before I started doing concealers. But I was able to use the Supreme Glow, and the pigmentation is not bad, in as much as I had to, I kept on applying because I really want my highlighter to pop, as you can see in this video. So the Supreme Glow is a very good product. If you find it anywhere, please purchase. I use the shade in 02, and the face primer is what I have been using. If you're a follower of my channel, or if you are a follower of my channel, you would have seen me use the Fair Gold primer a lot of times. Then the moisturizer luminous foundation is actually luminous. You can notice by looking at my skin that, you know, aside the places where I highlighted, you can notice that there's a little bit of glow here and there on my skin. So yes, it's actually luminous, and it's moisturizing as well. It doesn't totally dry out. It doesn't totally dry out. So if you know you're going to use foundation and you have pretty oily skin and you still want to glow, you can, you know, mattify your face before you use this foundation. And I would advise to use this foundation with a beauty blender and not the regular foundation brush or the foundation blending brush or stippling brush. The best for me, I don't know about any other person, but for me, the best applicator for this foundation or makeup tool for this foundation is the beauty blender. It helps to blend it in perfectly. Like, you can see that it is kind of like my skin, but if you notice in my other video where I was talking about the product I received, you would notice that I was a little light and I had to make my light a little darker so it doesn't look as if the foundation is not my shade. It's actually my shade. When applied, when you put it on your skin, it's your shade, but when you begin to blend it in, it begins to look a little lighter, just a little bit lighter. But I feel it's because it is luminous, that is why it acts that way or behave that way. But the best applicator is the beauty blender. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more video like this, please give me a fat thumbs up, share with your friends. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.